Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 508 station wagon. This particular car is a 2-litre blue HDI Allure with the 6-speed manual gearbox and 150 brake horsepower. It's in Bianca white and was registered 2015 on a 65 plate. Now, the car is extremely low mileage, it's only done 17,000 miles. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, we are on London Road in Dorchester, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.